In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. 5 minutes. First, open Airbnb and sign in to your account so your profile, saved places, and payment methods are ready to go. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated. Payment options sometimes appear differently on older versions. Browse Airbnb as you normally would and pick the place you want to book. Take a moment to confirm your dates, number of guests, and the total price. It's also a good idea to glance at the house rules and cancellation policy now so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, select the option to reserve. This takes you to the checkout flow. On the payment page, you'll see a breakdown of charges, nightly rate, cleaning, service fees, and taxes. Double check everything here. If you need to edit dates or guests, do that before you choose a payment method to avoid having to backtrack. Next, look for Klarna among the payment options. It may show as a labeled button or a pink badge. If you see it, select it to continue. Keep in mind, Klarna availability depends on your region, the currency of the listing, the booking amount, and sometimes the device you're using. If you don't see Klarna, it may not be supported for this reservation. Make sure your Airbnb country and billing details match where Klarna operates, and that you're booking in a supported currency. After choosing Klarna, you'll be redirected to Klarna's secure checkout. Here, you can review the available plans, such as paying in installments or deferring payment based on your eligibility. Klarna may run a quick assessment or ask you to verify your identity. Have your billing information handy and ensure your name and address match your Airbnb details to prevent declines. Select the plan that suits you, review the payment schedule, and confirm. Keep the browser or app open until Klarna finishes processing. Closing too early can interrupt the handoff back to Airbnb. Once Klarna approves, you'll return to Airbnb to finalize the booking. Back on Airbnb, review everything one more time: dates, guests, total, and policy. Then confirm your payment. You should see a booking confirmation on screen, followed by an email or in app receipt. If anything fails during the redirect, refresh and check your Airbnb Trips tab before trying again to avoid duplicate attempts. That's it. Your reservation is set and your installments and reminders will be managed through Klarna. For any changes or cancellations, review the host's policy on Airbnb. Refunds will follow that policy and be routed through Klarna according to the plan you chose.